Guys, today we will talk about the TikTok application and we will show you how to find out if someone blocked you on TikTok. So let's go to this app, and as you can see we have two different accounts. So from the HardReset.Info one, I have blocked myself from the second account. So let's check it. The second account has this name and we have the description blocked by you. So let's go to this second blocked account. And how to check if someone blocked you. So I was a follower of the HardReset.Info account. So probably I can find this account in my following section. Let's check it. Go to the following section and I will set the name of my first account from which I have blocked myself. HardReset.Info. It's not my account. So we don't have the needful account in our following list, as you can see, because it's not the right one. So, okay, maybe we don't have this in the following section, but probably we will have it in the Discover one. So let's go to the Discover. Let's pick on the search to check this account. We will try to find it on the list. So the name of my account from which I have blocked myself is HardReset.Info. Let's set this name here. Go to the users. Okay. We have a lot of different HardReset.Info accounts, but as you can check, we don't have the needful one. So if you are blocked, you cannot find this user in the search sections, in the Discover section, or in the following section. You cannot find this user because it blocked you. So if this video was interesting and needful, don't forget to subscribe to our TikTok and of course YouTube accounts. Goodbye guys, bye bye.